Hi, and welcome back to the Docentric Advanced Functional Training series. In this video, we will talk about the improvements to the print archive that were made by Docentric. In standard D365 F&O, we can print to the selected print destination, for example, email, and also activate archiving. Then, there is a standard print archive form with a list view of all archived reports, but it is almost useless because it offers only the report name without any details about the printed document, so there is no way to find the archived document you need. Docentric has extended this form with all these additional fields we see on this form. We can see which print destination has been used when this document was printed. Here is the additional short information about the print destination directly in the grid, but we can also click the Print Settings menu item and inspect the exact print destination settings that were used. In case it was the email print destination, we can also see the email message that was sent. For that, we click the View Email menu item, and the archived email message is downloaded so we can inspect it. Further in the grid, we see these metadata fields. We can filter by any of them to easily identify the archived document we are looking for. For example, let's find all archived documents for the account US001. We can jump from here to the related account. On the Customer and Vendor form, you will find the additional menu item that takes you to the Print Archive form, filtered by the color account. We will find it under the General, Outgoing Documents, Print Archive. We are back to the Print Archive form. This time it is filtered to show only the documents related to DE001 account. We usually print journal documents, so here is the direct link to the related journal. The source document that resulted in this journal is also here. It is, for example, sales order, purchase order, and so on. We can also jump to it from here. These metadata fields are populated by Docentric in the report-specific DSP classes, so it might happen that the fields will be empty. For example, if you didn't set the report-specific DSP class in the Docentric report setup, or you are archiving a report for which our DSP class isn't provided, or, as in this case, customer aging report when metadata isn't applicable. If we move further to the right in this grid, we can also see the Print Archive note. It comes from the Print Destination setup. As you can see, I have used some placeholders in the note to identify the user who printed the document and the timestamp of printing, so they can also help me when I'm searching for the archived documents. In this case, I can find the documents printed by me if I search for admin in the Print Archive note. Let's see what else did Docentric do to improve the user experience on this form. With standard D365 F&O, you have the option to print preview the selected single record. But if I multi-select the archived records, this menu item gets disabled. If, for example, I want to print or send all archived documents for, let's say, one customer, I must keep clicking one by one and previewing. That's why Docentric has added a new menu item, Download, where we have several convenient options. I will filter all documents for account number D001, then select all of them, and click the Download menu item. Here is what we can do with these documents. We can download them all at once as separate PDF files, or zipped all into one zip file, or merge them into one PDF file. I will merge them, and I got the merged PDF downloaded so I can open it as one file and easily handle it. Finally, the information section gives us even more additional fields that didn't find their way to the grid. In this video, we explained the most important improvements related to the standard print archive and the scenarios where you can benefit from them.